Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams that will revolutionize your driving experience. On the left, we have the PRUVEEO dash cam D94CH, and on the right, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam.
Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of a dash cam, video quality.
The PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920*1080p resolution, capturing every detail with its 150-degree super wide-angle lens. But hold on to your seats, because the REDTIGER 4K dash cam takes it up a notch, with stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p resolution for the rear camera. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster in your car. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH comes equipped with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights for exceptional night vision performance.
But the REDTIGER 4K dash cam takes the darkness by storm with its enhanced super night vision, ensuring visibility even in the darkest alleys.
Say goodbye to blurry footage and hello to crystal clear night recordings.
Time to navigate through the GPS and tracking features. The PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH integrates GPS to pinpoint your vehicle's location, speed, and routes in real time.
It's like having your personal GPS navigator on board.
But wait, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam also comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to track your journeys and share them with friends, family, or even insurance companies.
Now that's what I call being on the right track. Let's talk about loop recording and the all-important G-sensor. The PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH ensures indefinite loop recording by automatically erasing the oldest footage when the memory card is full.
And when it senses a collision, the built-in G-sensor locks the footage as evidence.
Safety first, folks. Now the REDTIGER 4K dash cam takes it a step further with loop recording that won't overwrite the locked files. It's like having your very own personal bodyguard for your footage. Last but not least, let's discuss ease of installation. The PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH provides a user-friendly experience with simple installation and no battery included to prevent any mishaps. Just follow the reference images in the user manual and you're good to go.
On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam offers an upgraded touchscreen for easy access to all features, making it a breeze to record, playback, and adjust settings. It's like having a mini smartphone right on your dashboard.
The PRUVEEO dash cam D90-4CH and the REDTIGER 4K dash cam battling it out for the title of the ultimate dash cam. Both products have their unique features and strengths, so it's up to you to choose the perfect fit for your needs. And there you have it, folks. Remember, smart shoppers always compare before you buy.
Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons on Buy Smart.
Until next time, happy shopping! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.